Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's an exciting video and that's because we have a ton of Jason Wu beauty. So many things, some things I've tried before. There are also quite a few of new things, but I really want to focus today on the jewel sticks. If you guys don't know, Jason Wu Beauty launched I think about a year ago and there was a lot of hype. A lot of people were talking about it on YouTube, but ever since that initial launch, no one has really talked about them. Within the past year, the brand has been releasing new products and I've received some and I'm shocked that no one's been talking about them and I don't know why. I reviewed Jason Wu Beauty just under a year ago and that was their initial launch. If you guys want to see that, I'll leave the video right here. It's the best and worst products from the line, at least as far as what they had at that point. I still feel very strongly about those products that I like and dislike. There's definitely some hits and misses, so definitely check out that video. But it's especially exciting because I recently joined their affiliate team. So if you use my code May15, you'll get 15% off site-wide. Make sure to go on jasonwubeauty.com. I'll leave the link down below. Don't forget to use my discount code. These jewel sticks cost $16 each. There are 10 shades total. We'll be going over each individual shade. It contains 0.05 ounces. It's a dreamy, shimmery cream pencil that allows you perfect control to create unique designs around the eye. Perfect for use as a standard eyeliner, pencil, or blendable cream eyeshadow. And I believe there are also some matte shades as well. We have a lot of shades to go over, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to pull my hair back. This is the first time in a long time where I didn't use my blow dryer, you know, that Revlon one that I'm obsessed with. And I'm just, you know, enjoying the more frizzy, poofy hair. And now that the weather is getting slightly warmer, that's when I tend to go natural, or at least a little more often. It's so poofy when I tuck my hair behind my ears, it just goes out. Anyone else? Anyway, if you guys are interested and wanting to know what are on my lips and my cheeks, it's a Jason Wu Beauty product. This is a Hot Fluff in Apple Pie. This shade is new to me, but I've tried their other shades that I love so much. Already gonna tell you right now, favorite product of theirs, or at least up there. It's like 1 or 2. This shade is really pretty as well. I'm going to swatch the shades first just so you get an idea of the variety and the different colors, and then we'll go to application and then a wear test, but I think it's going to be like a quick 5-hour wear test. I love this selection because we have a lot of neutrals and we're everyday, but then we have like pops of color, and then we also have white and black, which are matte. I thought this was all shimmer, but we do have 2 matte shades, and this white one specifically, as far as on my skin tone, it's quite pigmented. I feel like other white pencils that I've tried before aren't pigmented enough. You can see my skin through it, and this one is a really nice white matte. Just the initial application on my hand glides on effortlessly, so smooth, very pigmented. I'm hoping for the best, but the big thing for me and my monolids is that wear test. That's always the deal breaker if I use something like this again. You can also use these as a base as well, but today I'm going to focus on the neutral shades. I'm gonna be a little boring, but I think that is something more people would likely buy, are the neutral shades. So now I just got to figure out which ones, or maybe do a combination. Let's start off with something easy while I try to figure out what kind of eye look that I want to achieve today. So I'm going to go in with this shade. It's in Sparkling Pearl. It's just a champagne color, and I'm going to use this as my highlighting shade. So the inner corner and the brow bone. Even though I already put a little bit of highlighter on my Cupid's bow, I think I want to add a little more because this is the perfect size for my Cupid's bow. On the eyelids, I want to go in with Sunset Pearl. Ooh, this is a really nice shade. A little bit darker than my skin tone. I love shades like this because it's like a perfect one and done eye look. Now let's see how it blends with a blending brush. It did wait a couple minutes, but so far doing well. Now that could be a concern because that makes me think that this is not gonna last very long, but hopefully it does set. This shade is so beautiful and it complements my skin so well. So if you're a light medium, this is going to look stunning on you. Now I didn't apply an eyeshadow primer like I usually do, so I'm curious to see how it's going to do on its own. And just for funsies, because I want to add another color, I'm going to go in with Blaze Pearl. I'm going to use this on my lower lashes. You know what? Since we're here, I'm going to do a reverse cat eye, but just focusing it on the outer corner. I'm just going to apply mascara and I'll be right back. I'm really hoping these jewel sticks have some longevity. They are so pretty on the eyes. I even paired it with my favorite drugstore mascara. It's in waterproof. This is the Sky High mascara. Love this so much. And hopefully by pairing it with something that's waterproof, this won't transfer on the eyeshadow. So this is the look, very simple, and I will see you guys after lunch. All right, from afar, my makeup looks pretty good, almost the exact same, but let's see up close. All right, so we did get some fading and creasing, unfortunately. I really wanted these to be long lasting. Now, I think what would help is wearing an eyeshadow primer, which most days I do wear that and I think it would help. So really where I see it creasing is where my lash line is and towards the inner corner. If you look towards the outer corner, even my lower lash line, the color's still there, it's still pigmented, no creasing going on, no fading. It really is because I have mono lids, unfortunately, but I do think eyeshadow primer is going to help. I'm going to continue wearing these with eyeshadow primer and hope that will be better because I really like these and I like the color options. I think these have a lot of potential. You remember the swatches I did earlier? They haven't moved at all, but I also haven't rubbed them, so let's just test it out since we're here. Okay, the only thing I see is sparkle on my fingers. Besides that, they haven't budged. And this is why it's so important to test it out on your eyes as well, because on my hand, it's not oily. My hand isn't moving as often as my eyes are with blinking and whatnot. So it just goes to show you doing this kind of test is not enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review under 10 minutes. I find them to be just a little more digestible. And if you want to check out Jason Wu Beauty products, please use my discount code May15 for 15% off site-wide. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!